Captain Greg here from Yacht Solutions. We're at the West Palm Beach Boat Show, and I've got a treat for you today. We're aboard the Schaefer V33, which most people know is a very popular center console model. This is the new cabin version. Get this, all enclosed. You still have all the beautiful benefits and stability of the V33, but now you have full enclosure. So for our Canadian season, it's going to extend it at the beginning and at the end for us. A couple of things you're going to like. The console you're immediately going to recognize as the typical V33 console with the Simrad screens or the Garmin, depending on whether it's Volvo Penta or the Mercury outboards. What's new is the overhead console, which houses a great air conditioning system to do the whole center area as well as a defrost for the windshield, which is really, really important. So you've got good visibility all the way around. What I really like is that the cabin is still intact down below. It's still identical to the V33, which people love. Lots of height and a very civilized bathroom shower configuration. What they've added with the pilot house, which is what this really is a dual door system. So we can open the front door and have access on both sides, or there's an aft opening. This locks and we can open up the aft door. So whatever's easier. Very, very solid rail system, very solid door system, not flimsy at all, but it just works like your patio doors that you're used to at home for that flexibility. Very, very comfortable space inside here. We still have a gourmet center outside. We still have seating outside. We still have the front bow lounge area, which is unchanged. This enclosure here, which hatches up top for ventilation, is what makes the cabin a unique V33 model.